Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your insurance on Uber Eats Driver app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals where your insurance is expiring soon. How do you actually go ahead and update your insurance? Now, most of the time when you need to update your insurance, you should see a prompt on the lower hand side of the screen where you could actually go ahead and upload your documents. So because I don't really need to update my insurance right now, the way to do it is that you would click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand side and then click on account. Next, you're going to click on documents, and then next you're going to click on view all documents under delivery. And then right now my license plate is blurred out, but you can see that if I click on vehicle insurance expiring soon, you can click on that. And then here is where you would actually upload a photo of your vehicle insurance. You want to make sure that your name is included on your insurance card and that it's covered. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your insurance on Uber Eats Driver. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next